Good afternoon, folks. This is Mr. Stubb once again. This is week 4 in research. Hopefully, you've already turned in your paperwork that you got to get signed by your parents. There's 3 pieces of paper that you need to get signed and turn back into me before you can start your class. If you don't have it, what you can do is you can go ahead and scan it and send it back to me, or take a picture on your phone and then upload it to me in Schoology. Please make sure you send me an email to let me know that you did that. Okay, as far as this week coming up, all the assignments are going to be due on Friday. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put on assignment 8, 9, and 10. So you want to go ahead and make sure you do that and complete those. Everybody should pretty much be in their classes. If you're not, you need to get that paperwork turned in, because as of your last day to do any Schoology assignments is going to be Monday, the 14th. So today is Sunday, so you have 8 days. So even if you have not started on any of your assignments in Schoology, you have plenty of time to get all 10 of them finished. Okay, because after Monday, I will not be grading anything. And on Tuesday, once I go in, if there's assignment missing, you just get a 0 for it, because you've had about 3.5 weeks, 4 weeks to get it done. So it is what it is. So by then, next week, everybody should be on their credit recovery class. You'll see that, and we'll talk about that next week on my next video, so everybody could be on the same page with that. Uh, some due dates. Everybody's class is due. Your credit recovery class is due October 9th. That is Friday, October 9th. That is the end of the quarter. So if you haven't turned in your paperwork, or you haven't started your class, you are very much behind. So you want to make sure you get that taken care of. So get those assignments done. We're going to go ahead and get them on for you. So if you want to go ahead and knock them out and then start on your class or continue with your class, that is what I would do. Because what we want to have is, this will be the last week for assignments in Schoology, and everything else would just be the classes you're taking. If you have more than 1 or 2 classes, you definitely need to get going, because it's going to take some time to get done. Okay, like I say, also make sure you get some headphones so you can plug them in into the computers in class, so you can listen to the lessons on the computer. Uh, the school will not be giving out any water anymore, so you probably want to bring some water for yourself during the day. And make sure you have your IDs on and your agendas. If you got any questions, this is the week to let me know what's what. If you score anything less than an 8, I always put what you need to do to get a 8, 9, or 10. So please go ahead and read the comments. If you get a low score, resubmit it and go ahead and get a better grade. But like I said, everything is due. Everything is due by next Monday. I will not be grading anything else in Schoology after next Monday. Okay, so please get everything done. Got any questions? Let me know. Email me, call me, text me. So I'll see you in class.